Now, with even more and more clubs pulling out of the controversial Football Super League, one of the pivotal points that seem to be getting lost in the excitement is the shift in the power base in sports, where superstar athletes and big, powerful teams are now flexing their muscles by leveraging their value in wrestling power away from team owners and team bosses, and are now looking to get their share of the multi-billion-dollar sports pie. We see this playing out more and more with the superstars of the NBA, where players like LeBron James and Kevin Durant and Kawhi Leonard and Kyrie Irving continue to decide when and where to make their power moves and build their super teams. Similarly, the big clubs in world football have been threatening this breakaway move for a while, obviously feeling undervalued as the biggest brands in the world's most popular sport. The football clubs, like the basketballers, are seeking to use their popularity and their clout and their value to get what they want. Now, whether we like it or not, or we agree with it or not, this is the direction in which modern sports and modern sports stars are going. They have the power and the leverage, and they might use it. What is about the reggae, boys? Not different. Playing for your country is different. I said playing for your country is different.